beautiful mom right here.
Hi guys!
So today she's going to be picking my nail colors.
Yes.
So let's get started.
Okay. Let's see. I'm definitely going to do this one
That's a cute color.
and this one.
Ooh.
Okay. So you put one hand here. So, how was your morning?
It was wonderful.
What was the best part about it?
Maybe the part where I got 100 on the test.
Oh.
The only 100.
OMG, you starting like that?
Yeah.
And what subject?
Reading.
Reading?
Mm-hmm.
That is amazing.
But at the same time, I love reading, so.
Yeah, it comes natural to you.
Yeah.
Natural born reader. That's amazing. I used to love reading too.
How did your day at the dentist go?
It was actually decent. It got a little hard because my mouth tightens up and they have to keep it really wide to do the procedure.
Oh yeah, that's the thing I can definitely do. Keep my mouth really wide.
Yeah, my mouth is small.
Your mouth is not small.
It is when it's time for the dentist. It's small.
So your mouth just doesn't like the dentist?
Yeah, or even sometimes brushing my teeth. It's hard to open my mouth to brush my tongue.
Oh dang.
Yeah, it's a real deal. She thinks it's a game. It's a real deal. Okay, but I made it through the storm.
That's good. I mean, of course you made it through.
My favorite part was probably driving. It felt so great today to drive. It was just, I played good music, it was loud and bumping, and I loved it.
Yay! What was your worst part?
Trying to keep my mouth, maybe when they poked my gums with the needle to numb my mouth. That kind of hurt it.
I remember when they numbed me, they put a needle in my mouth. When I got my teeth pulled,
Yeah.
they put a needle in my arm.
Wow.
But I felt so weird after that. Like everything was like jiggly wiggly.
I know you were so strong, my little poor baby.
It was so dizzy.
You were just crying and you had all these cotton balls with blood on them. It was so sad to watch.
But I mean, hey, I made it through it.
Yeah, you did.
And I swear, Mommy, when they told you to ask me, do you want to go to the park? It literally sounded like the beginning of a rap song. Like, you want to go to the park?
That is hilarious.
Like, it sounded so much like the beginning of a whole rap.
That's funny.
You know what? There's this thing I used to watch when I was little. It was literally like princess rap battles.
Yeah?
Like, you know, like the Disney princesses.
Uh-huh.
Like they had like Snow White versus Elsa.
Uh-huh.
They had Cinderella versus Belle.
Mm-hmm.
Like it was like a whole bunch of Disney princesses that they put against each other in a rap battle.
Oh, wow. I think I may have seen that. I don't know.
My favorite was Elsa versus Snow White.
And why?
Because of course Elsa won.
She's tougher.
Yeah, by the max. I mean, would you rather be able to talk to animals and get poisoned by an apple? Or would you rather have ice powers and accidentally freeze your sister?
Ice powers.
That's what I said. So I mean, of course, Elsa won.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
And the end of it was, "You're one little princess, I'm a big queen." And then she froze her.
Yeah, those battles are funny. I've seen a few battles on YouTube that were funny. Like fast food restaurants.
Oh yeah, I remember that one. I think me and Takara showed you one of them.
Yep.
Then the social media ones.
Yep.
Where it was like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and
Yep.
TikTok, and then came out of the grave, Vine. I remember Facebook said something like, I'm the reason you know what your aunties and uncles are doing. Something like that.
That's funny.
Oh wait, there was also Snapchat there. And you know what Instagram said? I took your filters and I made them better.
Oh wow, yeah, that was funny. All right, that hand is done, girl. Pretty. Really
So
pretty.
cute.
Yes, I love
Polka
it.
dots. I think this looks like the flower.
Yeah, that does. It's cute.
Would you rather be a lion or a tiger?
Lion.
Okay, lion or cheetah?
Lion.
Really? I thought you liked cheetahs.
I do, but a lion is the strongest and the most like feared of them all.
And they are the kings of the jungle.
Yeah.
Nobody would even poke a lion.
Not at all.
So yeah, it is kind of cool that you'd be feared.
Yeah, like I run the place.
Like, bow down to me.
Yes. Don't play with her. DPWH. Don't play with her.
What's your favorite Flo Milli song?
B-Flow mix.
Can you sing it?
I like cash and hair to my eye. Do
Oh.
a dash, can you make it go fast? Bump the fame, all I want is them bands. And she give me, hey, and I'm still her man.
My favorite one is
She got a new one like Dora the Explorer. Backpack, 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 backpack. Something, so load it up, load it up. Like she really took the Dora theme and flipped it. But it's an adult version. It's not too kiddie, is what you would think.
let me see. I'm trying to remember the lyrics of that one.
Oh, these babies weak.
Yeah, they be texting
Cause
me
out, we just
let
let me be.
Run with me if I'm trying to sleep by ankle. So don't be calling after 3. I don't want these girls. What? That's why they coming back to me.
Run that cash up. Hey. Nah,
Remember
was
that
hard.
remix we made?
Yes,
These
baby's
babies
weak.
Ew. They
Baby
be crying
crying.
and I'm weak. Just let me be. Crying out loud, I'm trying to sleep. I ain't your mama. So don't be crying after. So don't be crying after me. I do what these mamas do. That's why they crying back to me.
Yes.
Throw the bottles out.
Throw the bottles out.
What's your favorite? Okay, I already know this one. Never mind.
What?
Billie Eilish song.
Oh, I forget the name of it, but it's a song.
Therefore I Am.
You think that's the one?
I'm not your friend.
Yeah.
My favorite is, I don't know, it's a mix of Lovely, Ocean Eyes, and You Should See Me in the Crown.
You should see me in the crowd.
I'm gonna run this.
nothing town.
I kind of like the glitch in it. Like, I'm gonna run this nothing town.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it has a dramaticism to it.
Yeah, I know that's what you like. Because you always do your hands real dramatic. You always do something like that.
I do not.
Yes, you do.
Okay, guys, here is the reveal. Can you see it? Isn't it pretty? I think it is too, guys.